We talk
Correct.
talking about really how resilient, how amazing our body is, and we want to just point out this is the specifics area about your built-in alarm system. How do we understand it? How do we learn from it that your body's talking to you,
Right.
right?
And that's that, yeah. And I think that it's really interesting because I think some folk, even though we know um, that our body is saying things to us when we're not doing well, when we're tired, sometimes we ignore it. Like, I'm exhausted. Your body is saying you're exhausted. Like, just take a moment to rest, and we keep moving. And then the body just throws us down, right?